This is Serjay Svek.
Hey everybody, hello. This is Serjay Svek back with another hand and finger training exercise. Today we're going to talk about the Kuji-In. Now the Kuji-In is also known as the 9-syllable seals or the 9 hand seals. The first one is called Rin. So you have your hands here. Interlock your last 3 fingers. Extend your index fingers. Thumbs up. Second is Pyo. Just keep your bottom 2 fingers interlocked. And then extend your index fingers again. But this time you lower it so that your middle fingers can trap them, as you can see here. Keep your thumbs up. Next is To. This time for To, you stick your bottom 2 fingers out. So you put your index fingers between your ring and your middle finger. Make sure it's on the opposite side, so here. And then you use your middle fingers to trap or lock them, as you can see. For Sha, you keep your pinkies out. And what you do is that you cross your ring fingers, put them in between your index and your middle fingers. Use your middle fingers to trap them like this. And then you stick your index fingers out. Like this. Next is Kai. Kai is a lot easier. It's like this. Just grasp your hands like this. Next is Jin. Jin is the same as Kai, but this time you put your fingers inside. So after Jin is Rets. Rets is simply putting your finger up like this on your left hand. Then you grasp it with your right hand, thumb up. Next is Zai. Zai is simply making a triangle with your hands like this. Keep your fingers out. And the last and 9th is Zen. So make your fist, put it in the palm of your hand. Zen. And that's the Kuji-In. So that's how it's done step by step. I'm gonna go ahead and perform it a lot quicker. Rin, Pyo, To, Sha, Kai, Jin, Rets, Zai, Zen. There we go. That's more like it. So there, that's the Kuji-In. Another hand and finger exercise. I hope you'll be able to learn this. And again, if you want, just go through the steps, pause or slow down the video. So again, that was the Kuji-In with Serjay Svek. Thanks again for dropping by, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Take care.
Salutations, Serjavians. If you like this video, feel free to like and comment and subscribe to see more videos like this one.